It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm on Chicago Avenue in Evanston, looking at Dollop Coffee and Hoosier Mama Pie. Heading around for a look at the Firehouse Grill. Looking north along Chicago Avenue to the main Metro stop and CTA stop for the Purple Line. Looking also at a great strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops. Brothers K Coffee House is around the corner. Lucky Platter, ton of other restaurants. Just a great spot. And I am headed one half block east of here for a walk through one of the apartments at the Presidential. I'm in apartment 701, southeast corner, one bedroom. Looking south toward a hazy view of the city skyline, turning into an almost impossibly bright and sunny open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Through the wall, heating and air conditioning units. It's an efficient kitchen with a pantry cabinet, built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner gas range with a range hood, granite counters, an undermount stainless steel sink with a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, good cabinet and counter space overall, and this amazingly bright living area. This is really special. Turning toward the bedroom and bath, you have an oversized bedroom, plenty of space to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture, and a little office desk if you wanted one here. Turning toward the front entryway, the coat closet directly ahead as you walk in. There's a linen closet just beyond, and just beyond that is the bath. There's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet, soaking tub, and striped gray tile contrasting with the tile in the tub surround. The Presidential has a street-level outdoor terrace and a landscaped rooftop sundeck with a variety of seating, grilling stations, and a shaded area with views of the lake and the Chicago skyline. The building has a lobby-level fitness room with free weights and cardio equipment. There's a bike storage area and an easy-to-navigate on-site garage. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.